Hi everyone and welcome to my Sattvic kitchen. This vegetarian pasta casserole recipe is a simple yet satisfying dish that is loaded with veggies, creamy ricotta, mozzarella, fresh herbs, and marinara sauce. To me, it's comfort food at its best, super easy to put together any night of the week or make it ahead as part of your meal prep. It doesn't take a lot of ingredients and surely will satisfy everyone. Bring a pot of salted water to boil. Cook the pasta just until al dente according to package directions. Make sure you do not overcook the pasta as it will cook while it bakes as well. In a large skillet or pan, heat a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Begin by adding some chopped garlic and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Next, add the chopped red onions and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the onions become transparent. Add the red and green peppers. Cook them on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now this dish is very customizable. You can really go ahead and add any vegetables that you might have available on hand. Add the chopped zucchini. Mix everything together and allow it to cook for a few minutes, stirring the veggies occasionally. Next, go in our dried herbs. So I'm adding basil, oregano, some chili flakes and Italian seasoning. Mix it all in with the veggies and allow the herbs to cook and bloom for a couple of minutes. Add some salt to taste along with some garlic powder. Now here I have roasted some cauliflower that I'm going to add to this beautiful vegetable medley. Let's give it one last mix before we add the sauce. I chose to use a store-bought marinara sauce and my personal favorite is Rao's roasted garlic. But you can go ahead and choose any good quality marinara sauce or even make your own. Give it a nice toss so that all the vegetables get coated evenly. Next, I'm adding some chopped baby spinach. Mix everything well. Our pasta seems to be done, so we're going to drain it and keep it aside. Just look at that beautiful, beautiful deep red color. Allow at least 5 to 8 minutes for the sauce to cook and all the flavors to come together. Add the cooked rigatoni and mix well until combined. Some freshly grated Parmesan cheese for its delicious nutty flavor. Mix well. And our pasta is ready to be transferred to the baking dish. In a medium-sized baking dish, layer about half the pasta and spread it evenly. Dollop the ricotta over the top of the pasta. Now I personally love the delicate, delicious, and creamy flavor of ricotta cheese. And of course, some fresh basil leaves that'll really make the flavors pop. Add another layer of the pasta. And we're going to top it off with some mozzarella cheese. And of course, some more fresh basil leaves. And it's ready to be put in the oven. Place the casserole dish in your preheated oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes without covering the casserole. Once done, remove from the oven and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Garnish with some more fresh basil and dig right in. Enjoy!